All right, round two on how to study Island and how to use it. If you saw in the previous video, I told you how to log in using your student ID number and the suffix at AG and whatever. We are going to use our example student again. Loading, loading. There we go. So I wanted to take a look at some of the assignments and see what's going on with them. All right, I've been checking my agenda and I see that I've got a bunch of Study Island assignments that I'm a little bit behind on or that I need to finish up. So we're going to take a look at, oh, look, the science pretest. I never finished that. So while you're taking any Study Island assignments, you have a few parts. Down here at the bottom, it will tell you how you're doing on this session. Now, a session is 10 questions. You see that right down here. And it will tell you how you're doing. In this case, this session, I haven't really gotten any questions answered yet, so my session score is 0 out of 0, which is, 0. All right, well, let's take a couple random questions. Meh. Oh, wow, I picked that one randomly. Go me! You'll see that your session score just improved. And you'll also see that you've got 1 out of 10 answered. Now, if I really wanted to, and I picked really randomly. Oh, goodness. Wow, I'm really lucky. Every once in a while, if you're going this fast, Study Island might tell you to slow down because it can tell that you're guessing. Okay, my luck has worn off. Oh, there we go. The system has detected that you are guessing the answers. Now you're going to be forced to wait at least 10 seconds before answering. Now, the computer is not always as smart as we are. Sometimes you really are that good at the questions. I was not. I was just guessing and it was clear. So the system's going to make me wait a couple seconds before I answer. All right. What chemicals? Ozone. And now they're going to let me answer. Now, if you see at the bottom, I've got 10 out of 10 answered. They showed me my session score, which is not that great. I'm going to hit end session real fast, and I'm going to take a look at the screen that they give me. Now, right now, you can see that I've only made one attempt. I've only had one session. I might ask you for one session. I might ask you to try again and do 3 sessions. For the pretest, I really think that one session is enough. So I'm gonna hit return because I'm not really worried about that. Now they're going to give you a list of all of the topics in science when you hit return. If you want to browse through them, you can. I wouldn't go and answer anything quite yet though, because a lot of this stuff is stuff we haven't covered in class as of yet. Instead, I want to go over here to my home screen. Okay, I'm looking and seeing that my active assignment says pretest is gone. Well, that's good, right? Well, maybe not quite. See, I heard that there was an assignment that I need to do 5 sessions on. And how do I check that? All right, let's view our assignments. I'm going to pull out my agenda real fast. You cannot see me pulling out my agenda. Okay, it says I need to do 5 sessions in states of matter. Okay. Well, I see that Study Island says I completed states of matter, but I don't think that's accurate because I remember I only did it like 2 times. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and I'm going to view my progress. Oh, yeah, okay. So the instructions say complete 5 sessions on this topic. If you don't finish 5 sessions, a ghost will steal all of your shoes in the middle of the night. Ooh, I don't want that to happen. Well, I better make sure I have 5 sessions then. And right now I only have 2. Well, it looks like I can go right back in and keep on answering. Now, when you click on this, you have an option. I will never really ask you to do printable worksheets. That's more for me. You could go in and you could play in game mode. Now, if you are playing in game mode and you are enjoying yourself, that's usually a good thing. However, if you are in a rush or if you want to finish something quickly, it might be better just to do the practice mode. The only difference between game mode and practice mode is that practice mode just asks you the questions. Game mode lets you play some stuff. The last thing you'll see here is the lesson, which we'll talk about in another video. All right, I'm going to hit the practice session because I really just want to get this done. All right, liquid substance has a definite volume. I remember that from class. I'm going to answer these kind of quickly because I want you guys to see some of the tools and some of the things we've got. All right. I don't know how to pronounce some of these words. Hold on, let me go to my tools screen. Oh, looks like I got quite a bit to look at here. Okay, yellow highlighter. Substance. Might need to go look that word up. Oh, solid and liquid are vocab words though, so I'm going to highlight those and remind myself that they're vocab. All right. I'm actually a better person. I do better when I hear it. So I'm going to hit play and hear what it says. Ooh, I need to highlight it before I hit play. Let's try that. Oh, beautiful robot voice. So if you are a person who likes to hear things, go ahead and hit play. But remember, you do have to highlight it before you hit play so it knows what to read. All right, I'm good. We'll hit stop. Also, sometimes it helps me to see things a little larger, or sometimes I'd rather see it smaller. It's kind of your choice. So you've got all these tools. You've even got a periodic table. It opens it in a new tab. But I'm not going to use that right now. I'm going to just answer some quick questions. Solid to liquid. Solid to liquid. Yay! And if you weren't sure about a question, you could always hit explanation and they will tell you a little bit more. Okay. I guess that makes sense. All right, so as you're going, you are more than welcome to use these tools up top. Oh no, I got it wrong. I better check the explanation. And a lot of people end up writing down those explanations so that if they come across this question again, they'll be able to get it right the second time around. Drop down menu. Melting. Yay. Wow. And at the bottom again, you can see how your score is going. You guys might be impressed at how fast I can answer these, but it's mostly just because I've seen them 1,000 times. And I actually do read kind of fast sometimes. More motion in oh, I think I had that one before. Well, that was lucky for me. So now that I've finished it, I see that my attempts have gone up. And they've said both how much I'm making right now, like what your current score is, and then they give you your best score. So it looks like last time I took it, just now, you guys watched it, I got 90% accuracy. And that's the best I've done. So when I go back I could hit return, or I could just go back to my classes. I'm going to go back to my classes and view assignments again. All right. I'm seeing that Study Island still thinks it's complete. So I'm going to view the assignment and I'm going to take a look at this. Right now it says I have done 3 attempts and my best score is a 90. Now, I'm not going to sit there and make you watch me take 2 more sessions, but you can tell that this person is not done yet. So I would have to go back and get it done. In some of our other videos, we might go over some other strategies while you are doing this. But make sure that if I ask for 5 sessions, make sure that you have enough attempts to get credit. All right, guys, thanks for watching.